You can create talking AI characters in 2 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Hedra. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. Hedra is an AI tool that lets you create talking AI characters without any skills, right in your browser. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Hedra worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, COMPANY. On top of that, the creative agent for work. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Hedra. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Already hard at work. What will you create? So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Hedra website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Hedra does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 2 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create talking AI characters with Hedra in 2 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.